नमस्कार, सुप्रभात। आज के ई लर्निंग सेशन में आप सभी का स्वागत है। सो इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो वी हैव कवर्ड द aggregate functions in MySQL, and in today's session we will discuss about order by clause and like operator. And these are all the topics are very important. So today we are going to discuss two topics, that is first one is order by and second one is like operator. So our first topic is order by. So what it does, so order by is a clause that sorts the result of a specified column either in ascending or descending order, either alphabetically or numerically. So basically we can say it rearranges the data in a particular order. Rearrange. So the order, it can be ascending or descending. Ascending means from lowest to highest, or descending means from highest to lowest. And it can rearrange the data either alphabetically, means either by alphabets like A, B, C, D, or numeric like numbers. So how it goes to work, so we will see via a practical work. So I am opened the MySQL command line client, and again I am having the same table, that is employee, and I executed the command, that is select star from employee. I am getting this detail. Okay, now what I want to sort the data or rearrange the data in the salary basis, means the who is having the highest salary, it comes first. Okay, so I am writing select star from employee, and then I will write order by the column name, which column, in which column I want to sort the data, that is salary. So I will write order by employee salary, and in which order, in descending, means I want that highest value will come first. So that is a descending order from highest to lowest. For descending, I will use the phrase DESC. Again I am saying, for descending order I will use the word DESC and then semicolon. Okay, and then I am pressing enter. So you can see the salary which are having highest, that is more like 80,000. The particular record is coming first, that is value. Okay, value GMHR 1,80,000. And after that 1,20,000 and 1,80,000, 70,000, 60,000, 50,000. So you can see a descending order is coming. Now you want the lowest salary will come first. So means from lowest to highest. So means we should execute this order in ascending order. The command will be same by employee salary, but for ascending, either I can write ASC or I will write nothing. Because if you are writing nothing, so by default order by executes the data or rearrange the data in ascending order by default. Okay, so I can see you. So you can see I am getting from lowest to highest. You are getting my point? So means if you write nothing for the order, so it will by default it will execute in the ascending order. And or for ascending, I can write, so there is a phrase ascending also, ASC, C, 50,000. So if you write nothing, so by default it will execute in ascending order, or for ascending order I have the phrase ASC. Correct? Now so this is our numerically ascending or descending. Suppose I want the data should be sorted or rearranged in basis of alphabetically. So in alphabetically, suppose I am seeing the by employee name. So employee name, I want to rearrange the data. So again we will execute both. So first we are executing ASC, means from ascending to from lowest to highest. So you can see the first letter. So you can see here first letter. So which comes first? A. So Alok will come first. After that, after A. So like this it will come. Sorry, we are sorted the salary column, but we want via employee name. So here I will write order by employee name. Okay, so you have to careful which column you want in order you want to rearrange. So I want to rearrange in the basis of employee name and in the ascending order. Now you can see first Alok is coming because we are ascending from lowest to highest. After that, after A, L comes. Then now there is a two same first letter R. Then SQL will go to the next letter A. A again is come. Then SQL will go to the next letter, that is H. Here is H is coming and here J is coming. So which comes first? H. So that's where Rahul is coming. You are getting my point? The same scenario with the S. First letter is same. It will go to the second letter. In the Shrikant, second letter is R. And in that particular Suresh, the second letter is U. Which comes first? Shrikant. So that's why Shrikant is coming first in ascending order. Now we will go to the descending order. So what we are getting in the ascending order right now in employee name, the reverse we will get in the descending order. See, now Veli has come first, then Suresh, Shrikant, you can see the reverse order is coming. So that's the way order by clause works. Okay. So I hope you all got the point, and for that I used a particular snapshot in which the query is written as well as the result is written. Okay. So you can see the particular snapshot. The next topic of today's session, that is a like. So that is very important topic and interesting. So what is a like? So like is an operator that used with where clause. Where is used with where clause and it finds the specified pattern in a particular column. Okay. So generally we use two wildcards. We use two wildcards with like operator. First one is percentage. You can see. First one is percentage and second one is underscore. Okay. This is underscore. You can see there is underscore and first one is percentage, second one is underscore. So percentage sign represents 0, 1 or multiple characters. So it represents 0, 1 or multiple characters. But underscore, single underscore represents a single character. Suppose you want a pattern, you want a particular pattern in which the value starts with something like A and it has only two characters. So we will write A and after that underscore, because A is one character and underscore again one character, so there will be two characters. So I use some kind of particular cases which are possible, and these cases, what are these cases and what is their description. So we will see one by one. So first, this is a pattern. We use like and after that particular pattern. So first you can see, and the pattern we will always use in the single quote. You can see single quote. Okay. So it is very important that pattern should be used in the single quote. Okay. Now first character is M%. So what it means? It finds a value that starts with M. That's it. So for that the condition is M star means it finds a value जो M से start होती है. So suppose I am having the value like Mahesh, M-A-H-E-S-S. So Mahesh starts with M, so it will find this value. Okay. Second is, now in this case percentage is coming first and after that M. So it means it will find those value which ends with M, जो M से खत्म होती है. Suppose I am written Shyam, so S-H-Y-A-M. So it ends, ये M से खत्म हो रहा है, so it will find the value. So find that ends with M. Third is M%S. So ये वो value find करेगा जो M से start होती है और S से खत्म होती है. M से start भी होती है and S से खत्म होती है. दोनों condition होनी चाहिए. Okay. Suppose मैंने लिखा है marks, M-A-S-S. So M से start भी होती है और S से खत्म होती है. Okay. Next is M underscore. There are two underscore. This is not one underscore. ये दो underscore है. So इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? मेरा M से, so ये वो value find करेगा जो M से start होती है और total उस value की length कितनी है? 3. Because M एक single character है और दो underscore का कितना character हो गया? Because एक underscore कितना character देता है? एक. Single character represents single character, so 2 underscore will represent 2 characters. So 2 this or M1, total 3. So it will find those values that starts with M and have length of value exactly at 3. Exactly 3 होना चाहिए. जैसे मैं लिखा M AP map. So M से start हो रहा है, उसका 3 length 3 है. So it will find those value. Next is this. पहले आ रहा है अंडरस्कोर, देन M और देन परसेंटेज. अब इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है इस वाले केस पर इस वाले केस में? इसमें ये था कि M से स्टार्ट होना चाहिए, दैट्स इट. इन दिस केस M शुड बी एट सेकंड पोजीशन. व्हाई? बिकॉज हमने पहले क्या लगा दिया फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे? अंडरस्कोर. ओके, अंडरस्कोर कोई भी कैरेक्टर ले सकता है, बट M दूसरी पोजीशन पे होना चाहिए. ओके, बिकॉज फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे कौन सा कैरेक्टर आएगा? दैट इज अंडरस्कोर, जो भी लेगा. M will be at second position and that's it. So it will find those value in which M at second position. Okay, you are getting my point? Last M, okay, underscore and percentage. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? M से तो स्टार्ट हो रहा है, so it will find those value that starts with M and at least have length of 2. At least, why I've written at least? Because M एक सिंगल कैरेक्टर हो गया. M represents a single character, that is M, और underscore will represent a single character. So 2 characters will be there. और उसके बाद percentage. तो इसका ये मतलब हुआ कि there should be a string जिसकी जो M से स्टार्ट होता है और उसकी लेंथ कम से कम 2 होनी चाहिए. 2 या 2 से ज्यादा हो सकती है, बट एक नहीं होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी मिनिमम 2. मिनिमम 2 क्यों? M और एक सिंगल कैरेक्टर किसके लिए? अंडरस्कोर के लिए. और परसेंटेज मींस उसके बाद कितना भी हो सकता है, तो 2 तो कम से कम होनी चाहिए. बिकॉज परसेंटेज हमने क्या लिखा है यहाँ पे? दैट परसेंटेज रिप्रेजेंट 0, 1 और मल्टी कैरेक्टर. यदि यहाँ पे परसेंटेज 0 होगा तो यहाँ पे लेंथ कितनी हो जाएगी? 2. यदि यहाँ पे परसेंटेज 1 होगा तो लेंथ कितनी हो जाएगी? 3. और मल्टीपल होगा तो और भी ज्यादा. सो दैट्स मीन इट इज सेइंग दैट इट विल फाइंड दोस वैल्यू that starts M with M और at least length कितनी होनी चाहिए? Have 2. So there should be one at least. कम से कम 2 उसकी length होनी चाहिए और वो M से भी start होना चाहिए. So these are various cases and each of these case we will see in the next session. In the means we are going to see the practical demonstration of each of the particular cases and we will see how the like operator works. And I hope you all understood from today's session, and the like operator we are going to perform in the practical manner in the next session. That's all for today. Thank you.